Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video tutorial on Buffer. So first off guys, what you have to do is click on get started now. So after clicking on get started now, you'll be redirected to this page where we have to enter our email and then after that create a password. So after creating a password and then before that entering your email, now we'll have to click on continue. So momentary browser security check in progress. We wait just for a second to check if there are any malware systems in your PC. And now, welcome to Buffer. Where would you like to start? Grow your audience, build your start page, or analyze your content? Let's say that we would like to create a start page. And now we'll be redirected to this page to choose a template. Now there it may be a flower shop or a pizza place, and like so, Alba. All these are the team names. Let's just use this Emmanuel. Our page name will be NetTech. NetTech, just that. After that, click on next, and now we are here. Now we can change the profile image and logo. The text will be net. Okay, net tech. Here, after we click on enter, the name will change. We can also add a picture. A few words about you or your business. We can say that a YouTube entrepreneur trying to make it big on social media. Just after clicking on this, now I know that I didn't write this word wrong, but whatever. Just now we can the banner. With a banner it can be like this. Without a banner it just can be like this. You can also get upload a banner like this one, like whatever you want, whatever it suits you the best. After that we can just after that go back. Now here the YouTube link can be here's the YouTube channel, and the link can be www.youtube.com/net_tech. And here again, but can we like how do we scroll down with this thing? Can I just unzoom it? Yeah, here is it, the YouTube channel. After clicking on it, now we'll just go to our profile, but the link that I have entered is not real, so that's really it for the site. After that you can publish changes. After that, verify your email. We won't do that because it will be too slow. Just after that, let's go to publishing, and here we can see the things that we have published. We can create a first idea and publish our first post. We can create a post right here, like I am out of ideas. Guys, please help me. I will appreciate your concerns. And we can drag and drop files or that, but we have to connect the channel to it. I like the threads, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and all these things. We can also have the analytics, the analytics options, but now can we just not agree with this? Where did okay, why can't we just not do that? I guess I'll just agree to the free trial. And here's it. Now there are the analytics. Here's our dashboard. Now we can see the totals, the recent posts, the social channels overview, the recent posts, and everything. There's also engagement tab and start page. But now let me show you the pricing. So there are 4 plans, and the one of them is a free plan where you can connect up to 3 channels. It gives you these perks, which are not much, but still can help you in some ways. There is also the Essentials plan, and the team plan, and the agency plan. So here we can see that the essential plan and the team plan is only for a 1 channel monthly, and you can also just choose how much pages do you want to have, but I'll just choose 1. The agency is for 10 channels. You can see that if we also choose again 10 channels, the agency plan will stay the same, but the team will again come to $120. We can see that if we pay annually, we'll save up 2 months of payment for the plans. We can see that the agency and the team plan came down from $120 to $100. We can see if we just want to have 1 number of channel, the team plan will go from $12 to $10, and the essential plan will go from $6 to $1. And you can also see that the agency plan has the same amount of perks as the team plan. It just lets you have 10 channels a month. And that was it for the video, guys. I hope that I've helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.